This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a card for online payment. First, always ensure you are on a secure website. Look for the small padlock icon in your browser's address bar and confirm the URL begins with https://. This indicates your connection is encrypted, protecting your sensitive information. Knowing these initial steps helps safeguard your financial details from potential risks and ensures a safe shopping experience. Next, you will input your card details into the designated fields. Carefully type the 16-digit card number found on the front. Then, enter the expiration date, usually displayed as a 2-digit month and a 2-digit year. Finally, locate the 3- or 4-digit security code, often called CVV or CVC, on the back of your card near the signature strip. To ensure a secure transaction, many sites use additional verification. You might be prompted for a one-time password sent to your phone or email, or asked to confirm details through your bank's secure portal. Always take a moment to review your entire order, including the total amount and shipping address, before clicking Confirm Payment. This helps prevent errors. If your payment is declined, first double-check all the numbers you entered. A common mistake is a typo in the card number or expiration date. If everything seems correct, contact your bank directly. They can often explain why a transaction was blocked. Always use strong, unique passwords for your online shopping accounts to add an extra layer of security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.